gregthevibecoder.com, Python, Lesson 2.3, Cave Adventure. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. This is Lesson 2.3, Cave Adventure. We're building a choice-based text adventure. You wake up in a dark cave, 3 tunnels in front of you, and your choices decide what happens. Treasure, a dragon, or something else entirely. And the whole thing comes from one prompt. Same 4 steps as always. Let's go. Here's the prompt for this lesson. Write a simple text adventure game in Python. Scenario: you wake up in a dark cave. You see 3 tunnels, left, right, and straight ahead. If you go left, you find treasure and win. If you go right, a dragon wakes up and you lose. If you go straight, you find a locked door, add a creative third outcome. Allow the player to keep playing after winning or losing without restarting. Make the descriptions atmospheric and fun. I'm copying that now. Step 2. Paste into AI. New chat. Paste. Enter. Look at that. A complete text adventure. 3 tunnels, 3 outcomes, atmospheric descriptions, and I didn't type a single line of code. Step 3. Run the code. Select all. Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C. Open idle, go to File, New File. Paste it in. File, Save As, call it cave.py. Hit F5. Okay, you wake up in a dark cave. 3 tunnels. Let's go left first. Nice. Now let's try right. And straight ahead. Three different endings, 1 prompt. And notice, you don't have to restart the whole script each time, you just keep playing. Step 4. Vibe tweak. Open cave.py in idle. Find the dragon losing message. It probably says something like, the dragon wakes up and devours you. Change it to something funny. I'm going with, the dragon wakes up, looks at you, sighs, and eats you anyway. He's seen it all before. Save and press F5. Same game, your story now. That's writing and coding at the same time. Extra credit. If you want to go further, paste this into your AI. Add an inventory system to the cave adventure. At the start, give the player a torch. Add a fourth tunnel that is normally deadly, but if the player has the torch, they survive and find a secret room with double the treasure. Now you've got a game with inventory, conditional logic, and 4 endings, all from a follow-up prompt. Reflection. Here's the question to sit with. Did you try all 3 tunnels? How did it feel to change the story just by describing it to the AI? You now have a game with a story that only you wrote. You've built a greeting program, a number guessing game, and a full-text adventure, all in Python, all from prompts. Next up, C# console. We're moving into a professional language used in real-world software development. Lesson 3.1 is your first C# greeting, and it's simpler than you think. Links to everything are below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in Lesson 3.1.